Hi guys, I'm Cassie from Faodail Creation and I upload videos every single Wednesday on how to use your sewing machine. Now this video I've already done and it's how to wind a bobbin. However, I didn't show you there are two ways on how to wind a bobbin, and in my previous video I only showed you the one way was by pressing the start stop feature on the Baby Lock Soprano. However, you can actually do this using your presser foot, and in this video I'm going to show you how to wind your bobbin using your presser foot, and I'll also tag the other video in so you can decide which version you prefer to do. So I'm going to put the thread on the machine and I'm going to put the bobbin on the bobbin holder. I'm going to get the thread and I'm going to make sure that the thread is pulling from underneath the thread, and I'm going to go around the first hook and we're going to latch on to this metal number 3 here and just make sure that it's caught inside there. So from here, make sure that this is still latched in. You may just want to hold on to this part here just to make sure that the tension is going to be right, and we're just going to wrap this around 1, 2, 3 times, and then it goes through this hook here and there's a little cut off and it cuts that thread off there. Just making sure that we still have a bit of tension. We're just going to slide this over like so. Now, instead of pressing that button like I did in my first video, now this is the button I'm referring to, you can actually press this and it'll start winding, but you do have to disconnect the foot controller. This is what it'll say on your screen. So at this point you can just press your foot controller just to wind your bobbin up. So here is our accelerator right here, and you can just press it and it'll start winding the bobbin. Now what I'll generally do is just hold on to this thread just to give it a little bit of tension, then press the presser foot down a little bit just to start it off. Then I just double check to see that the tension on my thread is all good to go. And then just keep your foot down on that presser foot. And then when it comes to the end, it starts to slow down. It starts catching here and it's ready. So just cut the end off and there you have your wound bobbin. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and the next video will be up next. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you next week. Bye.